Try something different today. Dera restaurant. It's a little Indian restaurant, Pakistani Indian restaurant. Salan roti. So this is the entrance. It's on the right hand side. Look at khana kis taraf hai. Garmi. Naati hai. Closing hai. Nice ya. Sahi honte hai. Bun beso ya table pa beso. Khatta pa beso. Asa bunna bene. Hai? Ya tha bene ya. Bejo. Apni marzi. Bun bene bun. Aja. Itiyan lo. Wrestling on. Alright, that's the menu. Kya khas Morio? Because you're relaxing. Atmosphere, nice and calm. Sat down, relaxed on the floor. Music's calming. Wrestling on in the background. See how the food is, but the mahal and the environment's beautiful. नहीं तो अपना कार समझे ना. Different. Normally कुर्सी में बैठनी हो. ये तो Jenny was the Mure was the tea, Ram Nal Bio, the Mozelo. I think when you group of lads, perfect. We'll see how the food tastes, that's the main thing. Sitting perfectly fine. If you want to sit on cuts, you can sit there. There's chairs as well, balcony, everything. They have Wi-Fi in this place, but they don't tell you the password. You have to give them the phone and then you get Wi-Fi. So if you don't have internet, I do it there. And I've got a message as well. This is what I have to deal with. Always fighting. Come on, Lenin. Huh? This is what I have to deal with whenever I take these guys out. There's always one thing they argue about. I'm not sure if it's fresh, it doesn't look fresh. Fresh, yeah? Fresh. Go on in. Malai Boti. Push it. Go.
जल्दी से जल्दी ठोक दो
क्या
लाइक मैन शेयर वीडियो को जल्दी से जल्दी चैनल को शेयर करो
सके जल्दी please like subscribe guys for his sake like Malai Boti sometimes you get it dry. Let's see if the last is actually juicy. Looks juicy. Cooked right. Gosh, it's a bit spicy, 30 spicy is it there? The Malai Boti is creamy on here. A bit spicy but perfect. You show off the camera to it. There's a cheese naan. Cheese naan. And then we got chicken naan, the pulse. There you go. That looks really nice there. What I was saying before you cut me off, there's certain places where you get Malai Boti dry and you want it a bit moist, which this is. That's the Malai Boti clock. It was a bit more spicier than it should have been. It should be more creamier. The texture is perfect. It's just that it's a bit too spicy. Other than that, Malai Boti ha go wrong. Cheese naan takne. Cheese pe ya, andar pe ya. Koi bandar upper bane, ye vich pe ya.
Fish wale upar bane.
हाँ. ठीक है. गले या cheese ऊपर. Naan soft, perfect. अंदर तू पसंद कर सकते. तो चीज़ नान पसंद करने ना एक दू ही है पुलाते हैं तो रोटियाँ it's crispy. Let's give it a taste. Fresh रोटियाँ देती हैं इन्हें. Fresh है.
Fresh है.
मैं कैमा पौड़े आता है fresh लग गया.
Check कर.
Right. चाहिए. ये इतना स्पाइसी क्यों नहीं? जिसमें Malai Boti ज़्यादा स्पाइसी है. ये सोचो ये कैसे ज़्यादा स्पाइसी होगा नहीं? यूँ थोड़ा टेस्ट होना. मर्चा मक्खी है. वैसे मायो से ठीक है. Dry amount spices. तू ज़्यादा नहीं, तू तेज़ नहीं. ठीक है, मज़ीन है. Perfect. So far, overall, सही पसंद आया. खाना ठीक है. Drinks we golden. Dera restaurant, I give it a thumbs up. Everything was perfect. Top notch. Cheese naan perfect. Malai Boti needs to be less spicier. Roti, chicken handi was perfect. Drink cold. Can't go wrong with Dera restaurant. Nice environment. I keep saying that. Okay, man. Perfect. I think there's a family side on the other side. There is a family side, so the women can come. This is the men's side. You can sit on the floor, cut, or the actual chairs, so your choice. A mix of options. Good little. This is like a change of scenery. Different restaurant. I thought I'll try out Dera restaurant, and perfect. So if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Hit the thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मेरा होटल बहुत चंगा सी खाने पीने का मज़ा भी आया. कढ़ाई मंगाई सी चिकन कढ़ाई. वो बाद चीज़ी नान मंगाया सी.
चीज़ नान पसंद आसी.
हाँ पसंद
सी.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह होटल भी चंगा.
Hotel चंगा. A new dessert place opened in Mirpur called Pazookie. Give it a shot. Give it a shout. Let's see what it's about. Alright. MashaAllah, setups very nice. All that beautiful. Proper British style dessert place. Sahi hai. The guy who owns Hassan Habib is part of this as well. So Pazookie and Hassan Habib are similar. I loved Hassan Habib when I went Hassan Habib. Let's see how Pazookie tastes. It will be the first time there's cookie dough in Mirpur. I don't think any other places do cookie dough. Let's see, look at the prices. Prices look nice. So that's the classics. And then you got Oreo, Nutella, that's the stacks. I don't know what the stacks are. Layers of cookie dough, so it's cookie dough layer, dough shakes. I've got the mocktail as well, just to see the strawberry mojito, which is about $4.40, and then little pancake crabs. I'm excited to see how it turns out. Hopefully, it is as good as it looks. iPhone kids, eh? Nutella, matuquinha, Nutella, ice cream, takna.
मज़े नहीं है
मज़े नहीं है बंदे ताकि हम people you're gonna love this. There's no cookie dough here in Mirpur and this is absolute banger. I've been here 4 months. I've been craving this and mashallah top notch. पसंद आया biscuit ना he loves it. What can I say? Soft, gooey. I was saying it when I said sub is on Ahsnan Chinese channel that cookie dough has to be a bit gooey, which this is perfect. Nutella. देखना है असल Nutella या सही निकल है. असल नहीं.
ये सब
नहीं वो थोड़ी टेस्ट डिफरेंट है बट चॉकलेटी है खैर है. Amaan साहब देखो cookie dough.
मज़े नहीं
पहली दफ़ा खा दी है क्या ली बस अभी मज़े.
वो मज़े नहीं.
Guys, I need some tips. Give me some tips for them to talk in front of the camera. They don't talk. MashaAllah. पसंद आई? Well, I'm gonna finish off before my ice cream melts. There's no chocolate chip in the biscuit. Chocolate chip going here?
No.
Just covered in chocolate. Is the cookie dough is just a biscuit. Would have loved it if there was chocolate chips in there just to make it a bit more flavoursome. But try it out, guys. Come down to Pazookie in Mirpur. You'll see it as you're coming up. It's right on the main road. You'll see it. It is a banger. Defo needed in Mirpur and we got one. Another thing I need to mention is that they only do one type of ice cream, vanilla ice cream. He did say they had strawberry ice cream, but majority of the time they use the vanilla one and they just put chocolate syrup on top. Dessert place needed and we got one. Try out. I tried out the strawberry mocktail. It might be similar to the one at Hassan Habib. It does look similar. It has got a similar taste, but there's a new can lemonade, 7-Up strawberry lemonade. Tastes a bit like that. Overall, mocktail's refreshing. I love it. You guys are gonna love it. I think everything so far has been spot on. Doesn't get hard. So it's tea. Everything's okay. Good. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Right. Everyone's enjoyed it. These guys. खाता को नहीं नजर लगी है चंगा पल्ला खान लगी है
हाँ पहले नंबर ये सी
मैं हैं नहीं खाई गया हैं these guys don't finish anything anyway but इस खाई गया अद्धा इस अद्धा को नहीं खाता तू तो खाना है मैं बता मैं खाई रही हूँ guys they do love it but these guys in निक्का जिहा पेट है नहीं मैं निक्का जिहा कुछ खाना नहीं
रोटी भी थोड़ी खाती है
रोटी खाती को नहीं. Right guys, going off topic. Guys, like this video, comment on this video, let me know what you guys want to see, what type of videos you want to see. Please do subscribe to our channel, get us to 5k at least, maybe 10k. Push us guys, push us. We definitely need subscribers, so please do subscribe and hopefully you enjoyed this video. Peace.